Hi there, students. Idem. Okay, idem. It means the same. Okay, it means exactly the same. It's effectively a pronoun. Most commonly, you will find this in the footnotes of an academic document or an academic paper. Yeah, and it normally says that the author of this footnote is the same as the author of the previous footnote. So you write an academic document, and this refers to all sorts of different things, and then you write the footnotes or the bibliography, and you say, you give credit to the people whose ideas you have quoted or cited. And maybe you use several books by different authors. So you will give the author and the name of the book or the article, and then idem and the name of the next book, but idem by the same author. Okay, so, but very often this is just written ID with a dot. Yeah. So with the dot, because it's an abbreviation for idem. Okay, so idem it means the same as something that has previously been mentioned. You can use it in other ways though. So he feels very strongly about this, and my wife idem. Exactly, she feels exactly the same. Yeah. Okay, so in the same way, or maybe these two people are very non-idem about this question. They feel very very different about it. Yeah. They were the two people were ad idem about the idea. They felt the same way. You can also use this ad idem in, you have this legal phrase, consensus ad idem. This is to do with a contract, where to have a valid contract, you need both people to both parties in the contract to understand the exact same meaning for the contract for it to be legal. So consensus ad idem means that they both agree about the idea and the meaning of this contract, yeah, and the objectives of it, yeah. If there is no consensus ad idem, they don't both agree about the idea, then it's effectively it's not a contract. Okay, so idem is just saying the same, exactly the same, but you'll most commonly find it in the notes, the footnotes, or the bibliography of academic works. Okay, so you'll have the name of somebody and something by them, and then idem, the next line will say id or idem, and the name of something else, but by the previous author. So, yes, I swear English. In the video, I don't know, cornucopia. And then idem in the video, suffragette, for example. So it's just saying the same author. This idem, this is rather formal. I think I would probably give it a 6. Effectively, it comes from idem potentia, yeah, or idem potens, but idem the same idea. Yeah, which comes from Latin idem, the same. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Idem.